Supplements can be super overwhelming. I have taken the same supplement for a very long time now, and it is seed. I find that it is so effective, and how I can really tell is my regular bowel movement. When I do not take seed, I have a harder time going to the bathroom, so it is so helpful to make sure I am flowing every day. That is a huge way you can tell if seed is working for you as well. I'll list out all the benefits here that seed does offer, but one of the main ones that I focus on is it helping me really flow and make sure my gut is in check. So as always, I will leave my code here if you have not tried seed, and you can ask any questions in the comments below. I will list out my favorite pre-workout snacks, but really it is up to you and what works for your body, and I will reference that so much in this video because at the end of the day, I figured out what works for me, but you have to figure out what works for you. I'm about to go into a high intensity workout, so I know that for me, my hormones do not want to be under too much stress, so I like to also eat something before to help support the stress of the workout. I'm not having my coffee this morning before the workout, so I decided to take a couple sips of Celsius. I truly take like 3 to 4 sips and I'm good. I just got done with the workout. Sorry, I forgot to film it. Live workouts are always me like super engaged because there's a lot of technology things I have to do behind the scenes because it's not like an Instagram live where you just turn on your phone. There's a lot to it. So apologies there, but it felt so good. And so today, because I did a booty strength workout, so when I say strength, that means I lifted heavier because my goal here was to push myself and build more muscle, which I especially want to do with my glutes. Glutes are one of the hardest muscle groups to actually build, so I feel like that's one area that I have to work really, really hard on. So it's kind of the awareness, like for someone else it might be like, oh, I have to really work on my arms or whatever it is for you. My glutes are one thing that I have to really work on for them to grow and be consistent with. And then with my food, it's very important for me today because I definitely burned a lot of calories because I was lifting heavy, that I need to make sure I am eating enough to really help support that workout, right? So it's like, now that we just worked out, I need to make sure I'm fueling those muscles and giving them something to feed off of and feel energy from to actually grow and tone. So today I'll be making sure I have a lot of protein, also good fats and carbs, just a very full balanced plates today. So right now I'm gonna go home and make a little smoothie and then go from there. Okay, I have a full makeup routine if you guys actually want to see like my everyday, not everyday, I think the one I filmed, actually yeah, the one I filmed was like a glowy everyday makeup, but I did get a new lip liner and I wanted to try it live with you guys. It's from Reffy and it's in the color Fawn. It does look really brown, but I saw it on TikTok, of course, and this girl looked amazing. So here we go. Let's see how it looks. Oh, it actually kind of matches my lip color. What do we think? I feel like I like it. I still have a little bit of chapstick on, so it's kind of running a little bit too silky for me, but I feel like it's pretty. Really blended in with my, I have like a little bit of a darker pink lip, so I feel like it blended in nicely. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Next up is lunch, and I'm just going to make a salad. Before I go into the salad, I'm going to put my squash in the oven because it's part of the salad. These are things I would usually meal prep, but I wanted to show you guys kind of the full thing, so I'm going to take you guys fully through it. I have truly become fascinated with how can I support my hormone health through foods. So this salad is a great representation of that. I will put all of the benefits to this salad here for you guys, but so many things to support my hormones and also just so many nutrients and colorful foods in this salad. Unfortunately, my kale was bad, so I am improvising and using this butter lettuce that I had in the fridge. Huge tip here is meal prep, meal prep, meal prep, of course. If you don't get to it, that's so okay, but I love meal prepping my salad dressings, and let me be real, I don't always make my own salad dressings. Sometimes I do super simple and I'll just do olive oil and lemon, or I'll buy from my favorite brand, Primal Kitchen. They have really clean salad dressings. My process of choosing my meals throughout the day is I try and only have 1 to 2 new recipes a week. This is a new recipe I found. I'll pop up the girl that I found it on and I save it in a category on my phone. When you start a new recipe, it can feel overwhelming. There's a lot of new steps and you're having to really pay attention. My biggest tip here is if you love a recipe, make it on repeat. Get tired of it, eat it again and again. This way you get so familiar with making this recipe, it becomes second nature and you can add it to your recipe book in your brain. Yes, our little Friday date. So let's see how it tastes. Obviously, usually it's kale, like it's a harvest bowl, so there's kale and mixed green, but since mine was bad, let's see how it tastes. That's the verdict. Honestly, still really good. I love butter lettuce. Yeah, I'm surprised it's actually really good. Good. 10 out of 10. Oh yeah. The butternut squash. Yum. Really good. Okay, make it happen.
Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it. I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore.
I was just thinking about this. If someone asked me what my essentials are that I try to always have in my pantry, in my fridge, in case of a time where I'm so hungry and I want to grab something, these are what popped in my mind. Fruit is like such a good source of nutrients, and you can use it with so many things. You could use it in your breakfast, you could have it in a smoothie, you could have it as a snack. It's very tasty, so it pleases a lot of the needs. So I think having your essential fruit, whatever that is for you, I think having, this is for me, protein, but like ones that last longer is like canned tuna. garbanzo beans, and then tofu, which lasts a while, and then chicken sausage lasts a while. Those are things that do not go bad, but like quick. Like obviously if you get a chicken, you have to cook it in like 3 days. Those are ones that last longer. So those are essentials for me. And then grains. So having rice, you can get frozen, or you can just get like a make rice, bonza pasta, or like chickpea pasta, gluten-free pasta, or any type of pasta is always like a grain essential for me. And then beans. I really love having like black beans. So if I'm gonna make like a Mexican bowl, I can have, there's my grain, there's my beans, and then also can use like garbanzo beans to go in there, right? Like if you're like, shoot, I didn't go and get chicken and all these different things, like at least you have some essentials. And I feel like those are my main ones. Eggs, I'm a huge egg lover. Those are always something I have in the fridge. And then as far as vegetables, obviously those are ones that like do go bad quick. So I'd say essential vegetables that I buy every week is like Brussels sprouts, because I love Brussels sprouts, and then also they have a lot of benefits. And then I do buy like a frozen like broccoli or mixed vegetables when I'm like, again, last resort, don't have anything, at least I have a frozen pack in my fridge. I also think oddly onion is just something I always have in my fridge because I think it adds to any dish. So I do love a good onion. I'm gonna put some sweats on. I kind of want to see what sweats you have. You got anything good for me? Probably wear that. Maybe do the green set. I always love green. Let me go see what I have. What do I want to put on right now? Do those. Ooh, maybe I'll do my leather jacket over a pair of sweats. Okay, so original plan. Let me grab my sweatshirt. Okay, so original plan was I was gonna make dinner tonight and show you guys what I've made for dinner, which I had planned to make like this just very simple chicken, rice, and like vegetable dish. It was kind of like my go-to dish I make when I don't feel like cooking. But JT actually asked if I wanted to go on a little date night tonight and just go and get dinner and walk to one of our favorite taco places and just vibe. So I couldn't say no because I mean, quality time is my number one. So plans are changing. So I think I'm just going to we're walking and it's a little chilly, and so I just want to be like cozy. It's kind of like a 15-minute walk. So I think I'm just gonna put on these sweats and then put like a leather jacket over it to make it cute. And then we're going to one of our favorite like fish tacos places. So I'll just get fish tacos tonight. So again, plans are changing. This wasn't the original plan. Now I have a full meal that I can make on another day. So it's all good, you know, you just roll with it. And I worked really hard today. I kicked my butt at my workout. Like I deserve it. I mean, we all do. So just gonna touch up. My jacket is from 437 and my sweats are aloe. Just gonna put a little blushy on. This is like a perfect moment to like demonstrate of why you kind of just flow, because this is like the fun stuff where you can just like randomly go to get your favorite fish tacos or like whatever it is. And if I was being like super restrictive and I was like, oh, I can't go because I had this meal, it just wouldn't be fun anymore, you know? Okay, I really liked this lip liner, so I'm gonna put it back on. I'm using the camera as my mirror. No, too dangerous. I like this color literally matches my lips. Cute. And then I'll put a chapstick over it.
Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an imprint left in my bed. I don't know about you, but put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine, as long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Oh, spend a little time. I need your time. Spend a little time, spend a little time, yeah. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. Long as you spend a little time. I just want your time.
Very literally from my phone because I have to show you guys this. Fish tacos. I don't know if it's like someone said coleslaw does this to you, but every time I have fish tacos, you guys, my bloat game right now, like, gosh, hold up my shirt. Literally feels so painful and like is pressing. You know that feeling where it like literally feels like it's pressing out? That is literally the feeling I have right now. It is rock hard. It even kind of feels like I might like have to go to the bathroom, but I don't. But like, oh my gosh. And this happened to me last time I ate fish tacos. So I feel like it's something with fish tacos. And I feel like someone said coleslaw last time, which is so random. So let me know below if you know. Also, that is why our lighting is weird. We have that like moonlight thing.